Hi, my name is Greta and I'm an online nutritionist and a health coach. My goal is to give you the best science-based health and weight loss advice so that you could get back control of your life. I offer you my 4 weeks online health and weight loss coaching program with health assessment, personalized meal plans, and follow-ups included. It's an easy, enjoyable, and effective weight loss coaching program that helps you to create lifelong healthy eating habits and effortlessly lose weight. If you want your weight loss results to last, the methods that you're using to lose weight have to be sustainable. If you've tried working with other dietitians or nutritionists, or using some weight loss apps, you were probably told to reduce your fat intake and reduce your calories as much as possible. You will lose weight by getting 1,200 calories a day, but can you stick with it for the rest of your life? That's way too little. Low-calorie diets leave you energy and nutrient deprived. It would slow down your metabolism, make you weak and hungry, and this excessive hunger often results in binge eating. You need a more balanced approach that doesn't leave you starving. I don't recommend low-calorie diets or anything else that is unsustainable. I make sure I find what will work best for you and what will bring you the best weight loss and health improvement results. I prepare your meal plan in a way that you don't feel hungry, tired, or deprived while losing weight. It's quite the opposite. You feel full and satisfied and no longer want to snack all the time because your meals are calorie dense and nutritious with the right balance of protein, fat, and fiber. I do my best to make it as easy as possible for you. You don't need to count your calories or your macros. And yes, there are certain foods that you are not allowed to have. Foods that make you gain weight and have poor health. Foods that drain your energy. Foods that make you live less. We exclude these foods. All people have unique weight gain reasons, and one approach does not fit everyone. Your weight loss program must be personalized to address your underlying weight gain reasons, fix the hormonal imbalances that you may have, fix the constant hunger issue, stop the cravings, to meet your needs and preferences, and fix the underlying health issues that you may have. Your eating plan will consist of nutrient-dense, clean, low-carb keto meals that are absolutely delicious. You won't feel hungry or deprived while following my plan because I'll create your meal plans in a way that you will still enjoy the sweet desserts, just without the sugar. I'll make healthy alternatives for you to make sticking to keto easy. You will still have veggies. When following a clean keto diet, you can eat as many non-starchy veggies as you want, and you can add fat to it to make it tastier and more filling. You might not be able to eat high sugar fruits, but you will still be able to enjoy berries. You won't need to eat dry, tasteless meals. It's not a low-fat diet. And you don't need to be a pro in the kitchen. Your cooking skills are not important here, because I will teach you how to cook nutritious low-carb keto meals from scratch, and it won't take much time or be too difficult in any way. Some of the meals take only 5 minutes to prepare. You will eat great tasting meals that are truly healthy. The low carbohydrate, high fat, moderate protein ketogenic diet is the #1 most effective weight loss diet in the world. It works better than any other diet. It's been proven over and over again that the low carbohydrate ketogenic diet makes you lose more weight because you remove the foods that make you gain weight, which is sugary and starchy carbs and junk food. You reduce your fat storage hormone insulin, meaning it becomes easy to access and burn off stored body fat. Ketosis itself is a fat-burning state. You enter it when you restrict your daily carb intake to no more than 50 grams or 5% of your daily calories from carbs. Studies show that the keto diet makes you burn on average 300 extra calories a day when compared to the regular low-fat diet. Studies show even with a higher number of calories, people on the low-carb ketogenic diet lose more weight than people on the low-fat diet. In my weight loss coaching program, I use a holistic approach that involves the most effective health improvement and weight loss methods: a clean, low-carbohydrate, high-fat ketogenic diet, sleep improvement, stress management, physical activity advice, and supplements needed for weight loss and optimizing your health. I help my clients to lose weight, put their type 2 diabetes into remission, improve conditions including arthritis, IBS, PCOS, cancer, hypothyroidism, cognitive decline, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, low energy, and a variety of other conditions. Not only does this program help you to lose weight, but you also get so much more energy and mental clarity. You can go longer periods of time without eating, and you don't get those energy crashes after meals. Ketones provide you with a sustained supply of energy. Ketones are beneficial for the brain. You will see it yourself. I prepare meal plans with meal times, recipes with photos, and detailed instructions. The meals are perfectly balanced to keep my clients full and satisfied. They don't need to count their calories, macros, or do any intense workouts. I teach how to make healthy eating practical and sustainable. What process do I go through when starting with a new client? The program takes 4 weeks to complete. We start with the preparation week. First, I assess my client's health and current eating habits through questionnaires. I use a detailed online health assessment questionnaire and a 1-day food diary. Then next, I provide the needed health and weight loss education part, and I deliver it through videos and PDFs. I also give you tips to prepare for healthy, clean eating. Things like what to get rid of and what to replace it with. Then I send my clients the first plan, health improvement tips for improving any health issues identified using the health questionnaire. I cover all areas including stress management, physical activity, sleep improvement, and food supplements. Then the following 3 weeks, you receive 7-day meal plans with recipes and pictures. Each day consists of main courses, desserts, and salads or smoothies. I make sure to include special meals or desserts specific to each client to keep them full and satisfied. Each week is followed by a weekly progress assessment and an opportunity for my clients to give me feedback and request certain types of foods to make sure they are happy about their meal plans. And if you have any cravings, I'll try to find a healthy alternative for you. And if you have any questions, you can always contact me by email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you're interested in improving your health, losing excess weight, looking and feeling the way you want, and creating lifelong healthy eating habits, join my online weight loss coaching program and you won't get disappointed. I go the extra mile for my clients.